Hello everyone! In this video I will share 3 super simple DIY room decor ideas using doilies. If you like these ideas, don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you're not already. But now let's get into the video. Take a doily and a jar. Check where to place a ribbon. Using a safety pin, thread the ribbon around the edge at the measured distance from the center. Now it looks like a hat. Put the jar inside. Pull both ends of the ribbon. Place the ribbon around the jar's neck. Make sure everything lies evenly and tie the ribbon in a bow. Put a flameless candle inside. Take a doily for your basket. In a bowl, pour some white glue. Put the doily in the bowl and soak it in glue. Check to make sure that it's all covered in glue. And of course, if needed, add some more glue. Now I lay my doily in a small bucket, but it could be a bowl or a jar or anything else. Even it out because it will dry in that shape. I pulled up the ends so that they would be a bit curvy instead flat and sharp. And now I let it dry completely. I left mine to dry overnight, and here is the result. It came off the bucket very easy, without any effort. Out of felt, cut a flower stem and leaves. Take a cushion cover you want to decorate. Place the dolly and the felt details on the cushion cover, creating a flower. Pin all in place. Try to pin only to the top layer of cushion cover. When that's done, stitch all in place. These were my 3 DIY room decor ideas using the doilies. Comment down below which of these ideas you like the best. And that's all for this video. See you soon. Bye!